Okay, so we got the engine in with the rear sump pan, and yeah, it's kind of really in the way. So the plan we've established. It's mostly my plan because is we're going to remove all of this. Well, we'll see. We got to get this part out up here, so that because that's what's in the way right now. That's what the transmission's hitting. We got to remove the firewall there, and we'll see where it gets us. And we'll modify the heater housing over here a little bit. We already have, and then hopefully we can get this pan to fit. And I believe we'll still have to modify it slightly to get it out, to clear the rack, but we will see. So the plan is, for now, we're going to probably pull the subframe, pull the engine back out, and get to cutting.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this?
Well, both front sump and rear sump haven't really been working for us, so I'd rather just stick with a stock rear sump GM setup.
And we can modify it to fit. We can get
work.
Yeah, and so okay, we're gonna do that. I'll get some time lapse set up on both of them, and we'll get after it. All right.
We kind of got carried away with just doing stuff.
Kind of.
A little bit. I just showed up and I was just like, we can make a rear sump pan fit on this. We could. So there's the subframe, the one that we welded together, all beautiful. It's all chopped up again.
Not really all chopped up.
No, it's not all chopped up, but. So, where's the rear sump pan? Oh, there it is.
It's right here. I'm getting ready to
So,
put it on.
we're just going to put that on with a couple bolts, and then we're going to see if we can fit that in and then make that work, because rear sump would be a lot better. I just like them better. We'll see how it goes, though. Peering over Mike's shoulder simulator. I'll get like a head cam so you guys can see what I'm seeing while I just like look over Mike's shoulder while he's like, I got an idea, and then just grabs the fucking Sawzall or something. Yeah.
Okay, so back to the story at hand. So we ended up stuffing in the 1-inch subframe spacers here. And with the front sump, we only got to modify it slightly to get the rack to fit.
That's a rear sump.
Rear sump, my bad, rear sump.
Front sump, we're taking stuff back.
Yeah, we're taking. But, and also, so the engine is like, we got a little bit more to modify back here on the tunnel. So where the shifter's hitting or transit's hitting. Cut a big section out there. So that we can get it back further. And then hopefully we can make it all work. But now we need to figure out some temporary mounts so we can keep everything where it's at. So I guess let's do that real quick.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm guessing you're about ready to go home.
Yeah, I'm kind of at a standstill here and running out of time. I got a vacuum on though, so that's pretty cool.
All right, guys. So got some plates here. I tacked them together. Gonna drill a hole this size so that we can. These are motor mount plates. Drill a hole through them, then grind them down to where they're the same size on the top, and maybe cut the angle in them that they need, and then grind the tacks off. And then we got 2 plates that are roughly the same. So here we go. All right, so we got them mocked up, kind of in place where they're going to be. So I'm going to tack them in, and we'll go from there. Hopefully this will work out. But so yeah, they fit pretty nice. I don't know where the nuts are for this, so we're gonna have to just kind of like hold it in place and hope for the best. But yeah, we'll give her a go. All right, there we go. Mounts made, welded in just enough to hold the engine in. We got to do some more modifications. Like trim this one down here to match this one. Same on that side, and then finish welding them. But engine's in. Got a little bit of angle backwards. And off the front of the pan here, that's the best, flattest spot I can think of. Got a little tilt, which we can adjust because my holes on this side are really big. So we can fix that. That's not too big of a deal. There we go. Engine mounted. I think we're going to wrap it up here on this one. I just wanted to get it out because that cherry picker bleeds off real bad. So got it mounted. And then the next episode on this one, we're going to have to address this part. Ian's looking into a pan for it. And yeah, that's going to be it. Looks good in there. Looks better than it did the last time. So, all right. And everyone now, same as always, you know, make sure you like the videos. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I post new videos. And share it with your guys' friends. If you like it, they'll like it. So show it to them. Send links to them. I don't care. Whatever you want to do. Just let them know, hey, this guy's building cool stuff on his channel. Go check it out. All right. See you guys in the next one.